Why can't we control our anger? Because we love perfection. Make a little room for imperfection in your lives. The only lies for which we are truly punished are those we tell ourselves. A mind all logic is like a knife all blade. It makes the hand bleed that uses it. Life is like a game of cards. The hand you are dealt is determinism. The way you play it is free will. No one is wise by birth, for wisdom results from one's own efforts. Blaming your faults on your nature does not change the nature of your faults. Devotion is that which generates knowledge. Knowledge is that which fashions freedom. There are two aspects of individual harmony: the harmony between body and soul, and the harmony between individuals. All the tragedy in the world, in the individual and in the multitude, comes from lack of harmony. And harmony is the best given by producing harmony in one's own life. Remember, no one is stopping you from lighting a lamp in a dark night. Real wisdom is recognizing and accepting that every experience is impermanent. With this insight, you will not be overwhelmed by ups and downs. Don't limit a child to your own learning, for he was born in another time. Man needs his difficulties because they are necessary to enjoy success. A coward is incapable of exhibiting love. It is the prerogative of the brave. The doer must do only when the receiver is ready to receive. Otherwise, the act is wasted. Even an emperor is no match for a man with no wants. Think of many things. Never place your happiness in one person's power. Be just to yourself. They who give have all things. They who withhold have nothing. You cannot count on the physical proximity of someone you love all the time. Seed that sprouts at the foot of its parent tree remains stunted until it is transplanted. Every human being, when the time comes, has to depart to seek his fulfillment in his own way. We cannot change the direction of the wind, but we can adjust the sails. The only people who see the whole picture are the ones who step out of the frame. The more you see the good in them, the more you will establish good in yourself. Harsh words cannot pierce your body. If anybody speaks ill of you, just continue on unperturbed. When you work, work as if everything depends on you. When you pray, pray as if everything depends on God. And when all the wars are over, a butterfly will still be beautiful. Undisturbed calmness of mind is attained by cultivating friendliness towards the happy, compassion for the unhappy, delight in the virtuous, and indifference towards the wicked. Everything in its own pace happens. The gardener may water with 100 buckets, fruit arrives only in its own season. I will not let anyone walk through my mind with their dirty feet. Live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever. There is nothing noble in being superior to some other man. The true nobility is in being superior to your previous self. Freedom is not worth having if it does not include the freedom to make mistakes. To keep your mind and nature cleansed of impurities, make a hut for your critics in your backyard and keep them close.